Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you the top new deals for the following week at CVS, which is the 5th through the 11th of September. And we got some really good deals. We've got some free Snuggle, we have some free Garnier Fructis, we have the Spend 30 Get 10. We also have the Epic Beauty event going on if you want to do that. I did that and got tons of beauty bucks back. So the first thing I want to talk to you about are some coupon inserts. So this Sunday we are getting one insert, and that is the Save insert, and it's actually a very decent insert. So some of the coupons that are included are Dial, Centrum, Axe, and Band-Aid, and then there's Compeed, and then two different Mederma coupons in there. So I think it's a pretty decent insert. Now, if you're interested, I do share with people where I purchased my inserts from. I've purchased them from BQ Savings for probably 2 years or more, and I really like them. One, I know exactly what coupons I'm getting. She puts up previews every week, and she uses fast 2-day shipping through FedEx. So I always get them super early, and so yeah, it's really, really great to be able to see them and to get them early so you can be planned and ready to go on Sunday morning. So the first deal I want to talk about is the Snuggle. The Snuggle is buy two, get a $2 extra buck, and they're buy one, get one free. I plan on getting two of the Snuggle scent shakes for $5.99 a piece. That's the price on the website. And then we have a $2 off insert coupon from the 8/22 save. There is also a $1.50 insert coupon, or if you don't get that insert, then you can do the Ask Team Clean website and print off a $1 printable there. Then I'm going to use a 2 off of 2 Snuggle CRT. I would pay $1.99 and get back a $2 extra buck, making two of those scent shakes for free, or scent shakers. I'm not exactly sure which is the correct name for them. But anyways, next I'm going to talk about the L'Oreal Elvive. Now it's not on any type of a promotion, but we will be getting a L'Oreal instant coupon. And an instant coupon is something that you get from the red box and you instantly know what it is. That's how I remember the difference between the two. But they are now putting our instant coupons on our apps, which is nice since the red box can be unreliable at times. But there's no extra bucks with this deal. If I know what the deal is for the following week after this one here, I will definitely tell you if it's a good idea to hold the CRT or to use the CRT. Because if there's an extra buck deal the following week, then you would definitely want to hold it. So then what we would do if we're going to use it this week, we would get two of the L'Oreal Elvive. My store has them for $4.99. You would use the 4 off 2 L'Oreal printable coupon. It reset yesterday on Wednesday, the 1st of September. So you definitely still can print it and print as many of those as you can. I would suggest getting a couple of them. And then you're going to use that instant coupon. So then the total cost for both of these would be $1.99 or 99 cents a piece. If I can hold on to it until next week, I will definitely do the deal next week. But that's just me, and my stores would take the expired coupon. Now this past week I used some expired coupons in my video, and I had people ask me, how do I know if my store takes them? You don't know. I just know that a lot of stores do and some stores don't, and it's just in the system. So what you could do is try something that's really low risk. So if you're going to go in there and pay $2 for something and you have like a 50-cent coupon and it doesn't work, then it doesn't work, and then you definitely don't want to go in there with a spend 30, get 10, and have all these expired coupons and then it not work. So there is that little PSA. So the next deal we're going to talk about is the Nivea. The Nivea is buy 2, get 5, and it just says select Nivea Personal Care, showing the lotion and some cleansing wipes, which is new. So I am doing this scenario with the lip balm because in the current week, the lip balm is included. If it's not included, I have another scenario after this one just to give you an idea. But let's keep our listening ears up or our little radars on so that we know to check to see if the lip balm is included. Because if it is, it's really cheap. So the Nivea is buy 2, get 5. If you pick up 2 lip balms for $3.19 a piece, that will equal out to $6.38. We're going to use the 2 off 2 Nivea lip balm coupon from the 8.15 Smart Source. You would pay $4.38 and get back a $5 extra buck, making them free and a 62-cent moneymaker, and I'm just going off my store's pricing. Now, I also did this scenario with the lotion. So also for the lotion, of course, they're buy 2 get 5. The 8-ounce bottles are $5.99 a piece, and so you would grab 2 of those and you would use the 3 off 2 Nivea lotion insert coupon from the 8.15 Smart Source. Then you would use a 3 off 10 lotion CRT, and a lot of times when this deal comes around, I magically get a 3 off 10 lotion CRT. But when this deal doesn't come around, I never get 3 off 10 lotion CRTs. So anyways, so then you would pay $5.98 and get back a $5 extra buck, making it 98 cents for 2 of them, or 49 cents a piece. And I think that is a really good deal. A lot of people love Nivea lotion. I enjoy it quite a lot, if that makes any sense. So anyways, the next deal is some Compeeds. Or Compede, excuse me. So the Compede, the 8 to 10 count is buy 1 and get a $4 extra buck, which actually is really, really good, because then in the next week's insert, the 9.5, there is a $4 and a $5 Compede coupon. So definitely an advantage of knowing what is coming in your inserts. But anyways, the Compede, the 10 count is $9.99. So you're going to use that $4 off Compede coupon from the 9.5 Save insert. You would pay $5.99, but you will get back a $4 extra buck, which makes the package of these just $1.99. Now, a lot of times we get Ibotta rebates for these that are high value as well, you know, like $4 and $5. So it wasn't that long ago that we had an Ibotta rebate for those, but they actually come around quite often. So definitely keep an eye out for that if you get this and an Ibotta rebate pops up. So that would make it an even better deal. Next is the Garnier Fructis and the Whole Blends, and they're a buy 2, get back a $3 extra buck, and they're 2 for $7. We are going to be getting the Garnier Pure Clean because we have an internet printable that has not expired yet. So we have the Pure Clean one, but then there's also another one for some type of curl type of shampoo and conditioner. That's the Garnier Fructis. And that one doesn't expire until the 18th as well. I don't know if that one's still available or not, but if you have it, you can use it. So I know my graphic here says a 4 off of 1, but it's 2 off of 1 coupons. So then after using those printable coupons, you would pay $3, and then you would get back a $3 extra buck, making both of those completely free. So definitely take advantage of that if you can. So print those coupons. If you don't want to print those coupons, but you still have some insert coupons, you can see if you can use them. But I would just go ahead and use the ones that aren't expired. And lastly, I have a spend 30, get a $10 extra buck scenario for you. And what we're going to do is buy 3 of the Pantene at $12 or $4 a piece. The ones that are bigger, that are 3 for $15, are included, but I chose this one instead. Then we're going to grab one of the Always Z's period underwear, the 7 count, for $9.79. Then we're going to grab a Tide 92-ounce liquid or a big thing of the pods for $11.94. Then we're going to use our 3 off of 3 Pantene coupon from the September P&G. And if we get a 3 off 3 Pantene digital, that one could possibly glitch with that. And the reason why I mention that is because on the week after we get our P&G inserts, CVS comes out with the digital versions of that. So then we're also going to use a $1 off 1 Always coupon from the September P&G, and then the $3 off of 1 Tide, also from the September P&G. Then you're going to use a 2 off 12 Pantene CRT, or maybe you have a 3 off of 12 hair care CRT. So then you pay $21.83 out of pocket. You'll get back a $10 extra buck, but then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for $3 back on the Always Z's underwear For the 7-count package, I have a $3 rebate. So then that would bring your total down to $8.73 for 5 items, or just $1.74 a piece. And I think that's an incredible deal considering the price of the Always Z's and the Tide. So that is everything that I have for you today, guys, for the deals for next week. There are a lot of other deals. There's oral care deals. There are medicine deals. So definitely take a look at the ad and let me know what you think. So that's all, guys. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.